Hey, thanks for stopping by and watching this video. Just a quick video on printing. When I went from Leap to Tumbleweed, I forgot to install my HP network printer. So here's a quick video of how I connect my HP printer to my Tumbleweed installation. It's pretty basic and simple. But people that are new to Tumbleweed or openSUSE in general, they don't know about the firewall issues. So here's one way of configuring how to print through the network. That is, change your firewall to the home network. That can be easily done through YaST. Or as I'm going to do in this video, is actually turn the firewall off. If you find that you're having troubles connecting your network-based printer, turn your firewall off, make sure it prints, and then go turn it back on and try the configuration for the home network, open ports and such. So what I'm going to do here is add the IP address. And yes, I do have everything hard-coded. I'm not really a fan of DHCP. I'd like to know where everything's at. And sometimes I do use DHCP, but make everything static or reserved. I'm in YaST and I've selected the printer. YaST is trying to configure or see if it can find the printer, and it's not able to find the printer. When I was on Leap, it was able to detect the printer and just worked. I didn't have to install anything extra. I just hit type in the IP address and hit save. Nothing popped up, so what I'm going to do is now going to turn off the firewall. You could also just, it's already selected on home zone for me, so I don't know why the printer wasn't detected, so I just disabled the firewall right now. I turn it to stop and do not start on reboot. Try checking for printer again, see if I can have Tumbleweed see it. Do the network discover next, and there it sees it. Add the printer. I'm going to go ahead and print the test page, and you'll see it pop up here in a second. There's my test print page. Thank you. Hit like and subscribe. I almost forgot to show you down here in the lower right hand corner of the tray, a new icon will be installed, HP status service. You can right click and show you the status of your printer. You will also you'll see that it tells you the black cartridge is low. Supplies will show you everything. Shows you the printer settings, printer control. Same things that you expect from a Windows platform you have on openSUSE. You can hit refresh, remove the device, diagnose the queue if there's any issues, view the queue list. Yeah, that's about it for HP printing on Linux. It works like normal. That's why I went from Windows to openSUSE as my daily driver. Thank you. Please like and subscribe.